Welcome to my channel. Google Nest Wi-Fi Setup and Connection Issue Fix, 2026. 1. Power cycle the Nest router. Unplug the power for 10 seconds, right pointing arrow, plug back in, right pointing arrow, wait 2 minutes. 2. Check LED light status. Solid white equals working, flashing white equals starting, solid yellow, red equals issue, right pointing arrow, continue troubleshooting. 3. Verify internet modem connection. Ensure the modem is on and internet light is active. 4. Use Google Home app properly. Open Google Home app, right pointing arrow, devices, right pointing arrow, add right pointing arrow, new device to restart setup. 5. Keep router and phone close. During setup, keep your phone within 3 to 5 feet of Nest Wi-Fi for better pairing. 6. Restart the modem plus Nest together. Turn off modem plus Nest, right pointing arrow, wait 30 seconds, right pointing arrow, turn on modem first, right pointing arrow, then Nest. 7. Disable mobile data, VPN. During setup, turn off mobile data and VPN so app doesn't get confused. 8. Check Ethernet cable. Use a good Ethernet cable between modem, right pointing arrow, Nest router, WAN port. 9. Update Google Nest firmware. In Google Home app, settings, right pointing arrow, device info, right pointing arrow, firmware, right pointing arrow, update, if available. 10. Factory reset if setup fails. Press and hold reset button for 10 seconds, right pointing arrow, device resets, right pointing arrow, try setup again. Thanks for watching.